Okay, we stopped at a campground in Idaho Falls for the sole purpose, two purposes. One, to take a really good shower, and the other is to get an edit done. But when we got here, we didn't go to the grocery store, and so we're getting ready to leave tomorrow, which is a good thing because Mother Hubbard's cupboard is really bare. We're kind of scrambling what to make for dinner tonight, and I don't think there's anything for breakfast. So
I kept hearing a little rattle on this bike. Remember, I just got it rebuilt, had it rebuilt and everything, and I've been going all over trying to figure it out. And now I was down here looking at my tire, checking it out, making sure we're gonna be good for today's road trip. Let me show you what I found. The heat shield on this muffler doesn't look like it was ever tightened when it was taken apart. So here, come on down here. Come on down here. Right here, see this? Right here?
oh wow,
And see this one over here?
oh wow, that's a bummer.
Yeah, that's a bummer. But that's what I found.
That's an easy fix.
It's super easy fix, thank goodness. And we're on nice, comfy, soft grass.
I know, no rocks.
You know, and back in the day, I was highly allergic to this stuff. This Bermuda grass.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. I was so allergic to this stuff as a kid. But I'm like, why was this thing making so much noise? See? There you go. Okay, what campground are we going to, Chris? Holman Creek Campground. It's just east of Stanley, Idaho. So we're gonna take the long way and come up through Ketchum, Stanley, and over to Holman Creek and camp there. There's a National Forest campground there, right next to the Salmon River.
Awesome.
So we're hoping there's a camp spot there. It's Thursday, so we're hoping there's a camp spot there that we can get to. I've already got the GPS in, and I've got a grocery store in front, so
yes,
we can get groceries because we are completely out. Look, I'm withering away.
Need
But
more
that's
food.
okay. That's okay. I'm just worried about you withering away. I can stand it. I have some reserves.
Oh,
you have no reserves.
You would last longer on a loan than I would.
Yes, you'd last about 2 weeks.
Yeah, that'd be it.
I would last about 2.5 weeks because I don't know what I would do without you.
Aw, love you, babe.
Love you too, baby.
Giving the little bike a love
Yeah, a little bit of love.
in the Walmart parking lot.
She definitely doesn't burn as much oil as she used to.
That's good.
For sure.
We're hanging out here trying to figure out how to get all these groceries on the motorcycle. Remember when I said we ran out of food yesterday? Well, we went to the store obviously hungry.
Yeah, Chris bought donuts.
So far we've come out to the parking lot and I've eaten donuts and a banana. And we have a whole cart full of stuff that needs to go on the bikes.
I got all the refrigerator stuff.
Wish us luck. Yeah. Let me hold that.
Hold your lid.
Get it on my jacket.
So if somebody's wondering, did I check? Yes, I checked when we were out and we were about a half a quart low. So I got Mobile One, full synthetic.
Isn't it fun doing bike stuff in a Walmart parking lot?
Hey, at least we're not swapping a clutch out.
Oh, that's true. What am I supposed to do with that?
Go grab that black thing in mine.
What black thing?
I got that black scarf.
The
neck
headband?
Scarf, yeah.
Right here?
I'm not, yeah, it's stretched out and
Oh, okay.
it's got a skull on it. That's what I use for oil.
Oh, okay.
If you ever see me put that on my face, remind me.
You get that off your face.
Remind me, you got oil on that.
Don't do that. We did it. We have got stuff shoved in every nook and cranny on these motorcycles, but we are stocked up, ready to go. And yeah, it's kind of no fun when you run out of food and you're in a place where you can't get any. I don't think I like that. Anyway, ready to hit the road. I was just telling him how it was no fun kind of running out of food and scrambling.
Yeah, I know, and now we had to pack it all.
I know. Now we
were very creative in packing.
I know, we are so...
But now we're set to be in the mountains now for a couple days.
Yep, we are.
Good.
Yep.
All right.
Bear bait. just commenting on how straight and flat we are right now heading out of Idaho Falls. But you can't really see them, but there are mountains we're headed to and we'll be in soon, right? It's just interesting to see all this flat prairie, whatever you want to call it, high desert, I don't know. They farm some of it they don't. Have to say, it feels like we're back out in the middle of nowhere with very few people again. You know, it's kind of funny. We keep, I mean, obviously back in the Tetons, that was like, oh wow, crazy. And Jackson Hole was insane.
Yeah.
But
now we're nowhere. Nobody's out here.
No, just a few cars meandering through. You know, nobody coming up behind us for who knows how many miles. Just us wide open spaces, baby. Craters of the moon. Okay.
So just right off of here, we'll check it out.
Yes. Yeah. Should stop in, see what it's all about.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is it just because it's all lava fields and it's supposed to give you the illusion of like it's the moon?
I don't know. I would think a crater would be like those impact craters.
Yeah. Huh. Well, need to find out. Need to stop at least for a minute.
Oh, why is there camping out here?
I don't know. Why? Did you see a camping sign?
Yeah, I see a camper out there.
Oh. You see someone actually camping?
Yeah, I see a camper. And a couple of campers. And a tent.
Huh. I guess there is camping out here.
RVs and buses.
Solid black line on the map there.
Is it paved?
It is all paved, yes, you got it.
I know.
And then you'll see everywhere you see a number with a circle there'll be parking lots and trails. And basically we're right at the start of it, so if you're looking to keep exploring, you'll just head straight down that way.
Because we started here
In Idaho Falls.
in Idaho Falls, and we came to here, but we're going to come up and go up here
To
through-
75.
up to 75 through Ketchum and go up into the mountains and camp up in there.
Look at those mountains.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Yeah. And this, riding through this was just...
There's nothing out there. They build nuclear plants.
The names that they're using to describe it. Blackened Ruins was one of the names. And then this is a weird and scenic landscape peculiar to itself.
It's true. Okay, so we're here.
Uh-huh.
And then if you just keep going down this road, there's one way, and all these different spots are
Stuff you can
things
stop.
to see.
Okay.
And there's hiking trails, obviously, but we're not going to hike. We're just going to run there and see what we see.
Okay, so we're just going to do
Do a loop and come
the
right
loop
back.
road and get back on the road.
Yeah, get back on the road.
Sounds
Yeah.
good to me. Okay.
Stop wherever we want to stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Don't come in the heat of summer.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, it's not too bad. You're at 6,000 feet elevation. but
Yeah. It's
I'm
warm.
sure nights are beautiful here.
Yeah, I bet. Okay.
Howdy.
And we're off. Well, thank you, America the Beautiful Pass, for getting us in for free. So we're on what's called the Crater Loop Drive. Does it know what these...
That white flower is a dwarf buckwheat. Tiny clusters of leaves is attached to the root system that can be over 3 feet in diameter. The white surface of the leaves reflects rather than absorbs most of the sun's rays.
Really? It reflects them. Oh, that is awesome. Hold on a second.
Keep going.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but it's just...
Well, you know, what does Bonnie always say? Oh, we didn't get to go see that. You always got to leave something so when you return.
Yes. Yeah, it'd be cool to come and camp here and
Yeah.
have the time just to go wander around and check it out. gonna get really wet here. Thought we would miss it. Maybe we can outrun it, right? Oh, doggy. It's raining big time.
Pretty spectacular view. Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting pelted by... What are these? Holy smokes. Are they grasshoppers?
Yeah, those are grasshoppers.
Oh, they're beating me up. I'm like, I look like I have grasshopper goo all over me.
Well, we do.
Oh, that was insane.
Yeah, I got grasshopper glue all over my legs.
I know, at first I thought, well, these are big raindrops because they were kind of juicy. Then they were yellow. Ew! Like a...
Although it hurts me, be with you. I'm always in bloom for
But the directions I got is taking me to the BLM right outside that campsite.
Okay.
So we can get water, we can camp there, we can get water, we're good.
Lower Stanley salmon. Maybe they're all salmon fishing here.
There's a water pump right over there. You just passed one.
I just passed a water pump.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, there's what, number 11. Are they first come, first serve?
There's no tag on it.
Okay. Doesn't look very level, but beggars can't be choosers, right?
Yeah, I mean, we know there's here.
Yeah.
Let me know if I'm going to hit anything.
No, you're clear. You're good.
Yeah.
Can I just pull in and you can push me back?
Yeah, or I'll turn you around.
So we're not for sure if this is going to be a one night or a 2 night or what. Kind of watching the weather. Might be too hot. We might just push on through. And the water is a little questionable. I don't know if you can see this. Here. This is what we're looking at. Not for sure if we want to drink that. Don't think we're going to die, but who likes to drink yellow water? Anyway, we are all set in. It is pretty. We'll have our own private bathtub down there. Remember those bugs we were going through? Let me show you my bike. Oh my gosh. They're in everything. Yummy. Just got everything.
How cold is it?
You get to be the guinea pig.
Oh,
Is it cold?
ooh, not nearly as bad as that other place. You know?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you come on in here. It's nothing like it. That other one.
Northern Meadows.
Huh?
Northern Meadows.
Yeah, is that what it was called?
Uh-huh. Oh my gosh, it feels fantastic. Wow. Yeah. Look, someone made us a little bathtub here. Is it working?
A little bit. Here, do me a favor. Open that end up.
We are at Riverside Campground. It's a U.S. Forest Service campground outside of Stanley, Idaho. It's way outside of Stanley, Idaho. Anyway, we were heading for a different campground and we noticed it was pretty busy around here. So we bopped through this one and it had this site, which is amazing because it's right next to the Salmon River. Yeah, already been swimming and It's just absolutely beautiful. It's gonna be a great night for sleeping. So the other day we ran through a nasty mess of grasshoppers. Anyway, my riding pants are a mess. So I have this handy dandy little river here. So I'm not gonna use any soap, but I thought I could just scrub all the dirt off of them and the bugs and the ew. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, real easy. Just soak them in here, rinse them out real quick. I'll go lay them on my motorcycle and they'll be as good as new. Hopefully. All right. Those will be dried by tomorrow morning, I hope, as long as it doesn't rain tonight. Then I'm wearing wet pants. What's for dinner?
Well, it's going to be kind of a hodgepodge, I guess. We're going to have noodles. I'm going to make put some pesto. Got ground beef, pesto, a little garlic pepper, and some zucchini with some elbow noodles.
Okay.
So, kind of simple, but we found this 100% grass-fed beef that's in the packages. Pre-packaged, vacuumed, is so much better tasting.
Oh man.
Didn't really realize it until